Hello and welcome to Cafe DC. I'm Faz Rahman. Our guest here today is Mr. Tariq Nizami, who is here all the way from Dubai. Actually, he's a Pakistani American, but he's going to be with us for a brief interview about his CEO club that he has founded and heads as the CEO. Welcome to Cafe DC, Tariq, and good to see you after a long time.
Thank you.
What's the purpose of this club and how many members do you have and what's your vision? Why do you want to work on this idea?
CEO Club has been around for more than 3 decades. I founded back living in US. So now
On the West Coast?
Yes, in the West Coast in Los Angeles, which I lived in all my life. Now based in Dubai, making a CEO Club as a head office is Dubai based. But the CEO Club have more than 16,000 CEOs and high net worth individuals, our member. We have a presence in 21 countries and we are growing. We are growing in Africa, we're growing in South America, and we have a strong presence in Middle East and Asia, and definitely in US. Our total focus has been to provide a platform for high net worth individuals and CEOs to connect them worldwide business community. And how do we do that? We have our own platform where they connected online. Plus, we host more than 50 events, very exclusive events worldwide in different parts of the world, connecting them and inviting key speakers from all parts of the world to use our platform by promoting their businesses, connecting their businesses, and mostly lately has been used by different countries' presentations. We have in our board, we have 32 ambassadors or diplomats from different countries in our board. So that shows the strong support that we have. And just to mention one thing, that in Dubai, UAE, we are the only private club patroned by the royal family of Dubai. The Sheikh Mohammed family is our patron and a chairman of our club, which is no other private organization, which I'm very proud that the royal family gave us the trust. Not only the royal family support we have the full support from all the Chamber of Commerces, from UAE government. And I believe that Dubai is a place of network, and I think it's the hub of network, living more than 150 nationalities, and gives a great platform like CEO Club to grow and get connected with the world.
How did you think of this idea?
I think that's the idea when going into the college, and the support and looking at the international community in US when I was going into multinational environment in the college life. But it really did not grow, to be honest, the CEO Club since 2001, when I took it abroad to China, and everybody was talking about China, and then everybody wanted to connect with China. So then we really grew in last 15 years. And our growth has been so dramatic that we don't go after the CEOs, they contact us. I want to mention at this time that through the CEO Club, 4 head of states has been invited to give a presentation and spoke to our members, including the Prime Minister of Malaysia, to Zimbabwe, to Mozambique, to China. And they've been using this platform to give a message to a strong business community that we represent.
Tariq, you have also been involved in some Hollywood productions. In addition to other businesses, you have some companies in Hollywood. Of course, being from Los Angeles and having lived in Los Angeles, you can't escape the fact. I've been there for a long, I lived in Los Angeles for a long time, and that's where we met first. So, how that's going so far? Is it a good, profitable venture in terms of making some solid profit?
Yes, well, thank you for asking. CEO Club, it is a platform that I get connected, but real business comes from my other businesses, including Hollywood studios. We produce movies from Hollywood, and I'm the official shareholder and director of a Hollywood studio company that we fund more than 2 to 3 movies a year. So I'm the financial arm of the Hollywood studios. We have produced with my partners in Hollywood more than 17 movies in last 8 years. and our gross revenue for the movies was $1.7 billion from
Any
all over the
blockbuster
world.
that you want to name here?
I would name that the last few movies I want to mention that we won a Golden Global Award for the best movie of 2012. It's called Kids Are All Right. It was funded by us. If you remember, the last few movies that we have been involved in is Two Guns, Denzel Washington.
It's such an interesting topic and there's so much to talk about, but since we have so limited time, so briefly, what's the purpose of choosing? I know besides being interested in Hollywood, glamour and everything, do you think you also serve a social purpose by getting involved in Hollywood?
Well, no, I think, I just want to get the message, from our culture, from our things, being Pakistani, I want to contribute whatever our community can contribute to the Hollywood industries and everything. And I think socially, we all have responsibilities. We all have the responsibility to share and contribute to this society and deliver this. That's why I want to mention one more thing that you may not know, that I also represent United Nations into UAE. I am representing the Global Compact Initiative of United Nations in UAE. So doing my social work through that platform also.
Tariq, thank you very much for being on the show. It's great to see you after a long time and wish you all the best in your future ventures.
Thank you very much for giving us.
So we just have to end this segment here. Thank you very much for watching Cafe DC. I'm Faiz Rahman in Washington, DC with Tariq Nizam.